Hi guys, hindi ko na naman nagbabalik. Who wants to know how to make flower using styro ball, stick, and small raft, and basket, and flower petals? Okay guys, start tayo. Watch and learn. Hello. First, just put this stick here. The ribbon. You need to put the ribbon on the stick. And then simply roll it. And then just put it again in that end. And then just watch this small bucket. There's a foam inside, styrofoam. And we're gonna put the styrofoam and then we're gonna like this. And then put it inside the stick. Like that. And then put the wrap on it so that it will hide the weight in the basket. Small wrap. Even that ordinary wrap you can also you can put it in the plastic. And then ta-da! Red one, tightly, very tight, and then make a bow. And then this is my bow. Wow, it's not girly. Next is put the ball in the stick like that. See, it's standing. And next is we just put the flower because here in the ball. Simply like that. Just follow what I'm doing. Okay? Okay? Spread that. Mix the color. Simple guys, so you can make it at home so that you have a decoration on your coffee table, center table, and all kitchen, living room, dining room, anywhere. And just spread it, small flower. And like that. Just follow. This time. Else you can remove the balls so that you can see what I'm doing. As you can see guys, very simple. Very simple. Even kids you can do what I'm doing. See? It's nice. Sometimes it's hard, so you can use scissor to hold the styrofoam so that you can easily put it on the flower. Just put it properly because if you remove it, you will not put it properly. ball. Okay. Here. Here. I use artificial flowers, guys. So that you know what kind of flower I use. So it will stay forever. You just avoid fire. Or it's better. It will stay longer at your home. Okay? See, look. Very nice. This is look. And then we will put it in the hole. So guys, this is our finished product. Look. We will put it in the center. This is the center of attraction. Look, very nice. Inside and out, very nice. So, please watch my video, subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga halibago kong video. Look guys, very nice. See? It's look pretty. Yeah.